Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I pipe my grass in Buttercream, which you can see here, but also in Royal Icing, which you can see here for these gardening themed cupcakes. And just so you know, I also have a tutorial for how you make this cobblestone effect on fondant. I'll leave a link to that tutorial in the description. Okay, so let's begin with the grass piping tutorial. So firstly, I'm going to show the piping tip I use, and this is a Wilton 233, and you can see it has little holes at the top to make all the little grass blades as you pipe out. Okay, so firstly I've got my buttercream here, and I'm going to colour it grass green using Fractal's food colouring gel. I'm just going to pop a little in there. Don't need much, it's very concentrated. There we go. And now I'm just going to mix that in with my spatula. And just so you know, I'll leave a link to everything that I use in this tutorial in the description so you can take a closer look later. Okay, so that's the colour green that I want it to be. So now I'm just going to fill it into my piping bag that has the Wilton 233 tip at the end, as you can see here, and then you can see that some of the buttercream's coming out. Okay, so I always test on a plate first to make sure it's the right consistency. So you just kind of put pressure onto the piping bag so the buttercream comes out, and then as you release, pull up. So the quicker you pull up, the longer your grass will be. So if you feel that your buttercream is too soft and the grass isn't piping correctly, you can just pop it into the fridge a few minutes at a time just to try and firm up the buttercream. You could also add tiny amounts of icing sugar, but just bear in mind that this does change the taste, so I prefer just to pop it into the fridge. Okay, so now I'm going to pipe into the cupcake, and you can see I'm going to apply pressure so the buttercream comes out, and then as I release the pressure, I pull away, and the quicker I pull away, you get that nice grass effect, and I like the grass to kind of go all over the place, so it's a bit of a wavy grass. It gives you a little bit of movement, but you can have it as short or long as you like. So I'm just going to go and pipe all around my cupcake. And if you find this tutorial useful, please do give it a like. It really helps my channel. Thank you. Okay, so that's the cupcake fully piped, and if you'd like to see how I make my daisies, I'll leave a link to that tutorial in the description. But for now, we're going to go on to the royal iced piped grass cupcake. So here's my royal icing, and you want it the consistency of it holding peaks, like you can see here. And I've also coloured it the same with the grass green food colouring gel by Fractal. Okay, so again, I always check that it's firm enough. If it isn't, I'll have to add a little bit more icing sugar. But this was okay. So now I'm just going to show you pipe it on my topper. So it's exactly the same, applying pressure and then pulling away as I release the pressure. So I'm just going to go ahead and pipe half of that topper. Okay, so I really hope that you found this tutorial useful. Please do go ahead and check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.